CoConstruct is a powerful project collaboration tool that helps your team stay on track, communicate seamlessly, and keep projects running smoothly. But how does it actually help your team? Stick around to find out the key ways CoConstruct can transform the way your team works together and the exclusive bonuses we've secured for you if you decide to give it a try. You won't want to miss the special offer at the end of the video. First, let's talk about collaboration. CoConstruct centralizes communication in one place. Rather than bouncing between emails, messages, and spreadsheets, your team can collaborate on a single platform, keeping everything organized and in real time. This cuts down on miscommunication and makes it easy for everyone to stay on the same page, no matter where they are. Next, task management. With CoConstruct, you can break down large projects into smaller, manageable tasks. You can assign these tasks to team members, set deadlines, and track progress all in one place. This is crucial for keeping projects on schedule and ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. The third thing to mention is CoConstruct's ability to streamline the budgeting and estimating process. It integrates with your financial tools, helping you create accurate, up-to-date budgets for each project. This feature makes tracking expenses easy and transparent, so you always know where the project stands financially. The fourth thing that makes CoConstruct so valuable is its client portal. This allows clients to stay in the loop with real-time updates on the project's progress. They can access important documents, communicate directly with the team, and make requests all within the platform. This builds trust and enhances the client relationship, leading to better outcomes for everyone involved. Next, CoConstruct's mobile app ensures that you and your team can stay productive no matter where you are. Whether you're on-site or in the office, you can access everything you need from your phone, making it easy to stay on top of tasks, deadlines, and communications while on the go. The sixth key feature is customization. CoConstruct allows you to customize workflows and templates to match your team's unique needs. This flexibility ensures that the platform works exactly how you need it to, rather than forcing you to adapt to a rigid system. Lastly, CoConstruct's reporting features are invaluable. You can generate reports on everything from budgets to timelines, and these reports can be customized to show the data that's most important to you. This ensures that decision makers always have the right information at their fingertips. So, if you're looking to improve project collaboration and streamline your team's workflow, CoConstruct is a tool you need to check out. And the best part? You can try it completely free through the first link in the description, with exclusive bonuses that will make your experience even better. Remember, CoConstruct helps your team stay on track, communicate effectively, and manage projects with ease. Take advantage of our extended free trial and see for yourself how it can transform your workflow. Thanks for watching.